What would it feel like if you could build your business knowing the 3 fundamental truths about yourself? Who you are, what you have to give, and how to give it. Wouldn't it be wonderful to step out with great confidence and know that you are loved, accepted, and valued? This will help you to realize that what you have to offer your clients will make the impact that this world so desperately needs. Dear women of God, the contents of this course will enthuse you to discover and appreciate who you are, help you to set up your business on godly principles, and equip you to take your business forward. As business women, we sometimes find ourselves caught up in the rat race of performance. We try to have the perfect product, link in with the perfect network, or have the perfect website. We work hard to have the perfect social media presence and convince ourselves that we need to be better, smarter, and more dynamic. We hide away and wait for the perfect time to come. Do you sometimes feel like that? Well, I'm here to tell you that you are not alone. For 10 years, I would have one amazing business idea after the other. I would venture out and chase those dreams. I would have so much energy to start my business, but soon realized that none of my brilliant ideas had any sustainability. I was following my head, not my heart, chasing good ideas and not God ideas. Soon after I became born again, God gave me a promise that I would work with the one doing this course. You! While the coaching business was booming, I was struggling to believe that I was good enough, and I hesitantly waited for the right time before actually stepping out into what I was created to do, coaching women in business. What if we could journey together for 21 days and I came alongside you to help you discover who you are and celebrate what you have to give? How amazing would it be if you could get the courage and the confidence to embrace who you are and live out your God-given purpose according to your original design? Do you feel ready to embark on this journey that will help you to discover more of God, more of yourself, and more of your design? This course will help you to ultimately live that out in your business. My name is Charlene, and I am the founder and the owner of Trucoach. I love Jesus with all my heart. I am a wife to my dearest husband, Duan, and a mother to our 4 amazing boys. I have been called to go deep into the heart of Christian women and reveal to them what God has placed in them. I am a UK accredited life coach and a passionate entrepreneur. I have enthused women in ministry, groups, teams for years, and now I want to come alongside you and help you to start your business the right way with a coach. We are about to engage in a helping relationship where I help you to start your business and you help me to be a business coach. You will be given bite-sized daily challenges and action steps that will help you to create lasting habits. These habits will serve as a step-by-step plan to lay the foundation for yourself, your service, and your business. If you choose to join our vibrant online community, that will create a sense that you are not alone. We are all in this together, making others better. I'm so excited to get to know you better through this journey. Let the adventure begin.